Imagine a land where waterfalls whisper, instead of roar. Where green valleys stretch endlessly under dramatic skies. And silence feels alive. Welcome to Iceland, a place shaped by fire and ice, yet defined by peace. This is not just a destination, it's a feeling. A journey through untouched wilderness, powerful landscapes, and nature in its purest form. Today, we explore Iceland's silent beauty, its green valleys, breathtaking waterfalls, and remote northern wilderness. Let's begin. Our journey starts at Lingvur National Park, one of Iceland's most historic and scenic landscapes. This vast valley sits between two continental plates, slowly drifting apart. Lava fields, clear streams, and rolling green terrain create a calm yet powerful atmosphere. Walking here feels like stepping into Earth's ancient past, where nature tells its story quietly, but with authority. Next, we arrive at Seljalandsfoss, one of Iceland's most iconic waterfalls. Water pours gently over a tall cliff, forming a shimmering curtain that you can walk behind. Surrounded by green fields and open skies, the sound of falling water blends perfectly with the wind. It's a peaceful moment where time seems to slow down. Hidden among green hills, Ragliofur Canyon feels like a secret carved by time. The winding river flows quietly through steep cliffs, covered in moss and grass. Soft light reflects off the canyon walls, creating a dreamlike scene. This is Iceland at its most gentle, untouched, peaceful, and deeply calming. The village of VK introduces us to Iceland's dramatic coastline. Here, black sand beaches stretch toward the horizon, shaped by volcanic history. Massive basalt columns rise from the shore, and waves crash endlessly against the dark sands. The contrast between green hills, dark beaches, and open ocean is both powerful and serene. As we move north, the landscapes change into something truly unique. The McVatten region is filled with lava formations, quiet lakes, and geothermal activity. Steam rises softly from the earth, while birds glide peacefully above the water. It's a place where nature feels alive, yet perfectly balanced. Skógafoss is Europe's most powerful waterfall, yet its surroundings remain surprisingly silent. Massive volumes of water surge through a rugged canyon, sending mist into the air. The raw energy here is undeniable, but the remote location adds a feeling of isolation and awe. This is Iceland's wilderness in its most dramatic form. Far from cities and crowds, Iceland's northern wilderness offers complete solitude. Rolling green valleys, distant mountains, and endless skies define this region. There are no distractions, only wind, earth, and silence. This is where Iceland truly reveals its soul. Iceland is not loud. It doesn't demand attention. It invites you to listen. From peaceful valleys and timeless waterfalls, to the untouched northern wilderness, Iceland shows us the power of silence. A reminder that beauty doesn't always shout. Sometimes, it simply exists. If you enjoyed this journey through Iceland's silent beauty, stay connected for more breathtaking destinations from around the world. Until then, keep exploring, and let nature speak.